everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Mommy Ebechku here. We are making okra soup. Okra soup is very delicious. Not just delicious, it's highly nutritious. Okra soup is packed with a lot of vitamins and nutrients. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's okra soup. This is my stock fish. It's also known as okporoko, Scotch bonnet, yellow and red Scotch bonnet. This is my smoked fish. We'll be using it to make the soup. This packs a lot of deliciousness to your soup. I'm making use of beef. My beef has been washed. This is my onions. We'll be using these onions to boil some of the meat. We use some of it to blend our Scotch bonnet and blend the okra. Palm oil. This is my ugu, aka fluted pumpkin. We'll be making use of ugu and uziza leaf. This is uziza leaf. The combination of the two makes a whole lot of beautiful difference in your soup. Then this is my okra, the oga of the day. This is how we cut our okra. You slice in between. I don't like making use of grater. You can use grater if you have, but I want this okra to be a bit chunky, so that is why I'm making use of my knife. I'm going to blend this part of the okra. It's going to make the soup more dry, so I'm going to blend it with onions, then pour it into the soup. I'll be blending it with my locust bean. This is my locust bean. It smells a bit bad, but the taste it gives your soup is so amazing. I know you guys are going to enjoy this video. Please watch to the end and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Let's begin.
I want to blend my okra. I'll be blending it with onions and locust bean. That is our ogiri, okpii, and that is it. I'm going to blend all of them together. I'm not going to blend it too much, but I'll blend it enough. Check your meat now. Check your meat. If it's cooked, then you add your palm oil. I've checked my meat and it's okay. I'm going to add the palm oil. You add the quantity of palm oil you want. You shouldn't pour in too much, just enough to give the okra soup an amazing glow. Our okra soup is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you will subscribe. Please don't watch and leave. Subscribe, okay? Thank you everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.